This plate sounds thin right here.
Noted. Severe pitting and deep oxidation.
This entire section is unstable. We've got severe delamination here.
And the mast assembly looks structurally compromised.
The structural integrity inside is severely compromised.
Agreed. We need to escalate the assessment before anyone enters.
We need a closer look at that section right above the bridge. The corrosion is severe.
Copy that. Rerouting the drone now.
Regs clear?
Clear. Comms check.
Loud and clear. See you down there.
I'm at the first damage zone. Where are you measuring from?
Coming up on the balance point now. The reading is 150 meters.
That pulley is set. Start feeding the main tow line through. We have tension on the forward lines. Copy that. Maintain pressure.
How is your mark looking? Minor drift, but stable. We are clear.
Bridge to tug 1, slow your port engine.
Copy that. Slowing port side.
All teams, double check your lashings. We are experiencing increased vibration near the bow. All tugs maintain current thrust. We are drifting starboard. Bridge, tug 2, we are holding steady at the stern. Copy that, tug 2. All sections confirm final alignment. We are centered.
All right, bring it up slowly. Watch the starboard side. This catwalk support is completely bent. We need to measure the deflection.
Agreed. And check the seam integrity right below it.
Look at the extent of that corrosion down there. We need to document the lower supports first.
We need to prioritize the starboard hull plates. The corrosion here is extensive.
Agreed, but let's sequence the radar mast repair concurrently.
Keep pushing forward on this section. Right here, see the stress fractures? Yeah, circle that entire zone. We'll blast the paint later. We'll need to cut this whole section out before we can replate it.
This entire section here is perforated. See the deep pitting along the seam?
Agreed. We need to mark this for cutout immediately.
Okay, take the tension. Slow lift.
Watch that pipe on the way up.
Keep it coming. Clear and stable.
The repair cavity looks solid. Ready for approval?
All right, bring it down 5 more inches. Easy now, watch the anchor point. All right, bring it left slowly. Easy now, easy, hold it right there. Looks good, lower it down.
We need to seal cavity 12 before the next section arrives.
Acknowledged. Tell the crane operator to hold position until alignment is verified.
Slow down, easy now.
We're clear on this side.
Okay, drop it 5 more inches.
We need to finalize these sections before the next shift.
The fitment looks good, but this connection point needs adjustment.
I'll make a note for the team downstairs.
All right, hold it steady. We need another 1/4 inch on the top left.
Okay, pushing now.
Perfect. Secure that backing strip now. Clear. Fitter, check the alignment on bay 4. This lower hull section still requires more grinding before coating.
Okay, I've marked it for additional smoothing. We need full coverage on these tie downs before the next shift.
I'll mark this section here, then we should check the bow area next. Check the edges right here. The coverage looks solid.
Yeah, anti-corrosion is good. We can sign off on this section.
Watch the edge on the port side. Okay, bringing the roller up now. We need more mix over here.
Lower slowly, we're almost aligned.
Copy, descending at half speed.
Looks good from here, secure the panel.
Watchdown KK indeed limited region dedicated.
Control. Water levels are stable and rising as projected. Hull sensors confirm structural integrity.